This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open the hood of a Lincoln Nautilus. First, locate the interior hood release lever. It's usually on the driver's side, beneath the dashboard, close to the door. Give it a firm pull to disengage the primary latch. You'll hear a click, indicating the hood has partially released. This initial step is crucial for accessing the engine compartment safely and efficiently. Now, move to the front of your Nautilus and stand facing the hood. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right above the grille. You'll feel a small lever or tab. This is the secondary safety latch. Push or pull this lever, depending on its design, to fully release the hood. It's a simple safety measure to prevent accidental opening. With the hood now open, find the prop rod. It's typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself. Carefully unclip it and insert the end into the designated hole in the engine bay. This ensures the hood stays safely open while you work. Always double-check that the prop rod is firmly seated to prevent the hood from accidentally closing, which could cause injury. When you're finished, remove the prop rod from its support and reclip it securely to the hood. Gently lower the hood until it's about 10 to 12 inches above the closed position. Then, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge of the hood. You should hear two distinct clicks as both the primary and secondary latches engage, confirming it's fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.